Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, and this channel will mainly be me using Alex G's set and forget strategy to execute trade, and I will also say my thoughts about the trade, why I executed, and yeah, stuff like that. So yeah, welcome. So this is a trade I took last week. As you can see, don't worry about this. This fake money. Like this is fake because this paper, and I do have a challenge account. Alright, and I closed that, but I didn't close in paper. I just want to see what happens. I closed that in my challenge account because, well, let's talk about why I executed this trade in the first place, okay? So weekly just double top formation. We had a break. We had already had a retest, so but this is a further break and retest. And taking this trade here is basically the exact same trade here, which I got Diddy. Okay, I got Diddy, but this time I didn't. So weekly close within the weekly area of interest, retesting the EMA, retesting psychological level, retesting the double top formation neckline, like just a lot of confluence. Then daily we have multiple doji rejection, bearish pin bar, and yeah. So I went to 4 hours. I waited till London session. I also saw a double top formation and retesting, and I mean breaking the area of interest in 4 hours, break, and I had the engulfing candle right after that, as you can see here, engulfing. And then I took that trade here, and for the whole London New York session it did nothing. It was just like shitting around. Then after that it finally had the push down and pull back, and I took this trade on Wednesday, and then did nothing. Then first day also did nothing. Then push, pull, and then it was Saturday, pull back Saturday, and I was thinking, should I close or hold for throughout the weekend, right? So I go to weekly, bigger time frame, stronger confluence, right? I saw this. I didn't have this zone, right? I didn't have this zone before, but then I was like, oh shit, is it reacting? Is it reacting to like this kind of a disrespected area of interest zone? So I drew it kind of like this, like kind of disrespected because it doesn't really hold price well. Like for example, this area of interest, like it actually keep holding it down. This one hold it up, it kind of broke here just one time, fake out, and then you see hold price here. Like even it had a spike down, it still managed to push price up, back up, but not this one, right? This one is just retest this, pull back, then break, retest, pull back, break, then come back down. Like this is just not a very respected level. Same here, push, pull back, then had a push again, push, pull back, a whole week pull back, and push, and then look at this, push. I'm anticipating the pullback, one whole week pullback, and it's not happening right now. Looks like it's not happening. It's only Tuesday today, so I can't really be sure until it plays out, and that's what really annoys me sometimes. Like I have to wait for that to play out, even though I'm not wait for what I think will happen plays out, even though I'm not in the trade. Kind of annoys me, and yeah, but it's alright, right? Like I'm out of this trade now, and I might have fucked up if this keep pushing down. Then I just miss out the whole profit. I closed at like $100, like $159 of profit. And as you can see right now on paper is $200 if I'm still holding it. It's alright. It's alright. Like, look at this. And this trade, I almost did enter AUD USD yesterday. And let's see why. If I go weekly had a doji rejection close within the weekly area interest, so I'm interested. It didn't retest any structure. It's good to have, but it's not like extremely important as long as I have enough confluence score. And I'll show you what I mean later, like how I get the confluence score. If I go to daily had a double top formation, a tiny double top like this. I use double top too, not just the head and shoulder. And also we tested psychological level, we tested the EMA. Like just perfect, right? Rejections, yeah, I love rejections. If I go to 4 hour, you can see at left head, right shoulder, break. Diddy, I didn't take this Diddy because weekly didn't close. Yeah, because weekly was like still here. Yeah, it didn't close not inside the area of interest. Yeah, so I didn't take it. Retest had the engulfing candle here at London session, pre-London I think. No, it was 9. It opened 9 p.m. so 1 a.m. which I was asleep, and I didn't take this trade because it's because of the CPI news. AUD CPI news 1:30 p.m. tomorrow, and I just think that if it didn't close below the 4-hour area of interest, had the engulfing candle right below the 4-hour of interest, it would struggle a bit to push lower. It was very slow. I think it will push, but very slow, like what's happening now. And I was kind of right. And yeah, I told myself I won't take this trade if it closed below the average interest while having the engulfing candle. It didn't, so I didn't take the trade. And on Wednesday, what I think will happen is it spikes up because of the CPI news. And I think that's what's gonna happen because I can see like we went from negative 0.7 to 0.2% in AUD CPI, which usually indicates the strengthened AUD. So AUD goes up. Yeah, and that's pretty much it for why I didn't take this trade. It looks perfect, but I think the fundamental will fuck us up, so yeah. And there's also something like, if you're just starting trading, back in the days when I just started trading, I was thinking if Alex is actually teaching me the same strategy that he used, then why do I need to gain experience in order to perfect the strategy myself? Like why am I still unprofitable if I'm using his strategy, right? And I think it's because like Alex is actually not telling you the full strategy himself. Else why would he need a course? Like, come on. And the thing is, you can't really tell like billions of people your strategy for free, because if millions and billions of people are executing the same trade at the same time, and this will be chaos, right? And I actually searched this up if you want to see. The question I asked: if lots of people use the same trade strategy and execute the same trade, will the trade go against direction? And yes, when people use the same trade strategy and trade at the exact same time, the trade often moves against them. This happens because of large crowd exhaust available market orders, cause sudden price spikes, and trigger stop loss, allow smart money traders to fade the retail crowd. So it is very important for Alex to like keep his part of his strategy hidden to those who actually pay. So like not everyone knows his strategy, and you need to like have experience. Like you need to gain experience by trading to find the edge over on the strategy that you can use over the market, so you actually become more profitable. And you learn from this every losses. And I've been doing this for 2 years, okay? And this is actually like my, let's say, like 6 months of using strategy. Yeah, and I think I'm doing pretty well. I mean, by doing pretty well, I mean I'm still starting to see some turnovers in my trading journal, and I'll show you that. This is the journal I use. I actually made this, and as you can see, we're in total of 137 drawdown, 29% win rate. It was kind of like a wave here at the start. Each dot represent one trade. $400. I made $400 on my first journal trade journaled, okay? I actually started journaling like very late. So yeah, then I lost 200, then I made how much? I made 500 here, then lost, then lost, then lost, then I made 500 again, then lost, and guess this was just lucky, because after that I just went on a straight losing streak. This is a break even, I think. Yeah, lose trade, lose. Wow, down to, how much is that? Down to $800 total. Then now I'm starting to see some turnover, like you see. Win. I won, how much is that? I won 400. Like somewhere 400. I'm not doing the math. Even though I'm Asian. And lost 200. Then I just made this a trade I made today. I mean, $159. And yeah, that's the trade I closed early because I don't wish to hold through the weekend. And yeah, as you can see, this is what it looks like. I just go to the journal. First trade, win, loss, win, loss, win, loss. Wow, break even, loss. Like guys, these are just experience. Like I don't know what to tell you. Wow, like this is so sad. This is so sad, bro. What is this? Criminal. Yes. Wow, look at this. Bro, you can't make this shit up. What is this? Were I scalping? Why is my take profit so low? Okay, who cares, bro? We move on. These are perfect. This is very good. Like you see, my loss has started to fade. Are fading away. Why is it always blurry? Like see, negative, all negative. Then break even. Okay, not making any money yet, but break even on this trade. Then lose. Then making money. Small loss. I decided to close this one early because of, why did I close this one? I closed this one. Cost pair correlation, because AUD US, this is AUD JPY trade, because AUD US is still have a bit more to go to retest to, so that it goes to the downside. That's why I closed early. And Euro GBP made 382 because of those stupid commission that took away my $20. AUD CHF lost. Yeah, see, I'm still starting to see some turnovers. And I think this is actually going pretty good. 90 days into journaling. Not 90 days from starting. Like, not 90 days. And this is the confluence I'm talking about earlier. If I go to add trade and swing trade, you can see like all this confluence call plus 10%. These are the ones I use. You can take a screenshot of it, so you can use it on your own. This is swing trade, and this is the day trade. I might explain more in the next video, or share the link if anyone wants it. Yeah, it's you need to run it in HTML. It's not public. Pretty much it for this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you're in trading, if you're like trading like me, run. My eyes are swollen. I swear I've been sleeping for 7 hours. I don't know, man. Well, hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah, set and forget.